Amina and the Injured Bird. In a small village, there lived a young girl named Amina. Amina was known for her kindness and her willingness to help others, no matter how big or small the task. One day, while walking in the forest, Amina came across a wooden bird lying on the ground. The bird had broken wing and couldn't fly. Amina felt sorry for the bird and decided to take it home with her. At home, Amina carefully tended to the bird's wounds and gave it food and water. She knew that the bird couldn't fly, but she hoped that it would recover soon and be able to fly again. Days turned into weeks, and Amina continued to care for the bird. She talked to it and sang to it, and the bird seemed to respond to her kindness. Eventually, the bird's wing healed and it was ready to fly again. Amina knew that it was time to release the bird back into the wild. She carried the bird outside and opened her hands, and the bird flew away, soaring into the sky. Amina watched as the bird disappeared into the horizon, feeling a sense of joy and fulfillment. As Amina walked back home, she realized that the bird's freedom had brought her joy as well. She felt happy that she had been able to help the bird and set it free. From that day forward, Amina continued to help others in her village, knowing that her kindness and compassion could bring joy and happiness to those around her. And the memory of the bird's flight remained with her as a reminder of the power of kindness and the joy of setting others free.